Have you ever needed to look back at an important piece of your personal history, like official records, only to wonder how to get your hands on them? Understanding your past, especially legal or personal records, can be crucial for future opportunities, like employment, housing, or simply for peace of mind. Yes, almost without exception, you will absolutely need to provide proof of your identification to access your personal records. This is a fundamental requirement across various agencies and institutions to ensure your information remains secure and confidential. The reason for this strict requirement boils down to privacy, security, and legal compliance. Personal records, especially those pertaining to criminal history, medical information, or vital statistics, contain highly sensitive data. Agencies and organizations have a legal and ethical obligation to protect this information from unauthorized access or identification theft. Proof of identification ensures that only you, or someone you have legally authorized, can view or obtain copies of these records. Different jurisdictions and types of records, such as court records or police reports, will each have specific protocols to follow for verification. When you are ready to request your records, be prepared to present one or two forms of valid identification. Typically, this includes a government-issued photo identification, such as a driver's license, a state identification card, or a passport. Some agencies might also request a secondary form of identification, like a birth certificate or a social security card, to further verify your identification and current address. Always check the specific requirements of the agency or court you are dealing with beforehand, as procedures can vary significantly. Often, you will need to complete a formal request from and may even be asked to provide a fingerprint for certain record types. This meticulous process is often referred to as establishing a clear chain of custody for information, meaning there is an unbroken record of who has accessed or handled sensitive data. It also prevents the unauthorized releases of information, protecting you from potential fraud. Understanding these specific requirements upfront, including variations between state and federal agencies or municipal police departments, saves you time and ensures your request is processed smoothly. Some agencies even have designated record access officers to help guide you through the precise steps. By understanding and fulfilling the identification verification requirements, you are not just jumping through hoops, you are actively participating in safeguarding your personal data. This diligent approach helps ensure that your privacy is protected, your records are accurately released to the correct person, and that you maintain full control over your important personal information, allowing you to move forward confidently with your plans.